Exciting news for Mini drivers! The latest remote software upgrade is here, packed with innovative features to make your Mini experience smoother, smarter, and more fun. Let's dive into what's new. First up, say hello to Quick Select Widgets. They're designed to streamline your main menu, giving you instant access to your favorite functions. Customize your widgets with ease. Just long press to configure them to your preferences. With a single tap, you're right where you need to be. It's fast, personal, and oh so convenient. Next, the upgraded Mini digital key takes sharing to the next level. You can now have up to 18 digital keys for your vehicle, all on different devices. The primary user controls it all, setting permissions for each key, from basic access to full administrator rights. And yes, it's fully compatible with iOS. Sharing your Mini has never been this seamless. Charging your Mini just got smarter. Previously, charge levels were shown as percentages, but now the Mini Interaction Unit also displays your current range down to the mile. Charge only as much as you need and get going with confidence. Your Mini Intelligent Personal Assistant is also getting an upgrade. With a faster, more responsive voice, it understands you better than ever. Just say, "Hey Mini," and let it handle the rest. It's like having a co-pilot who really gets you. For the performance enthusiasts, Go-Kart Mode provides visualization of your driving dynamics in real time. From torque and power to acceleration forces, even boost pressure and engine temperature. It's all displayed so you can see exactly how your Mini is performing. Whether you're cruising or going full throttle, the information is right there when you need it. And finally, the Mini Operating System 9 is smoother, faster, and more intuitive. Profiles load in no time. Voice commands are processed with greater accuracy, and media playback through Bluetooth or streaming is better than ever. Plus, your connection to Apple CarPlay is now more stable, keeping your favorite apps just a tap away. Getting started is easy. Simply download the upgrade directly in your Mini or via the Mini app, and you're ready to experience all of these amazing new features. Stay tuned for even more innovations on the road ahead.